Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I'm going to be doing another look for Makeup Monday. So happy Makeup Monday, guys. I'm super excited to be doing this makeup look. I'm going to be doing more of a dramatic cat eye, a little glam dramatic cat eye, if you want to call it that. I've done this look recently, actually several times, but in 2 or 3 different ways. And the other day, you guys, I was out working and I had this guy, you know, the gay guys, they keep it 100 with you, and I mean 100. And he was like,
oh, I love your makeup. Your makeup is on point. Your face is flawless. You know, it's just on point.
You know how they be. So anyways, you guys, so I had to come back and do this makeup look because I just get so many compliments on it. I don't even know what this is doing here. Like, it was supposed to be a bun, but I don't even know at this point. So yeah, you guys, so as you guys already know, I've already done my brows, you guys. I didn't conceal my face and everything, you guys, because I just wanted to show you guys my skin and how it is right now before I pound on and beat my face up a little bit. But you guys, I want to show you like these little marks on my face I'm trying to get rid of. Well, this is pretty okay. But here, you guys, I don't know what is going on here, but that has to go. Like, what is that? All right, you guys, so I've already done my brows. So what I'm gonna go in now to actually cover up these spots and everything, you guys, on my face, I'm gonna go in with the orange corrector. I got this from Sephora, you guys. I believe it was only like $12 to $18. Super inexpensive. You guys, now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer, you guys, and if you guys can watch my previous Makeup Monday video, I actually did a review on this e.l.f. Product, so make sure you guys go check it out. I would actually put the little tagline here so that way you guys can go to that video and check it out because it's a good video. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. You guys, I swear to God, I think this is just water. I don't know what is in this stuff, but I mean, you're supposed to put it on before you put that stuff on, but I'm just going to do a little bit on my face. I just don't know if that's water or not. I don't know if that even helps. Kat Von D is a setting powder, you guys. I'm actually going to matte my face before I add my foundation on. I'm going to use more of a pointed brush, you guys, and I'm just going to lightly glide this across my face. I'm doing this because I want to have a matte look. My face is very oily, and I do not want like my face to be oily within hours. So I use this setting powder to set my face before and after to keep me up. Okay, so now I'm going to go with foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline. This is their matte normal to oily skin Fit Me foundation. You guys know I am pro Rihanna Fenty Beauty, but I've been using Fenty Beauty up like crazy, and I need to stop doing that and use other products. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline today, you guys. This is a latte. I'm not really sure if this is my shade. I just kind of swapped it on my face one.
Just what about it, you know? Hey, get a
Bye, YOLO. Alright, so now it's time to highlight, and we're going to conceal our face. Not conceal. We're going to highlight and contour our face, you guys. I'm going to be using the Morphe concealer, you guys. You guys just supposed to just slightly pat it and let it oxidize into your skin, and it'll kind of form and give you whatever you need to do for your skin. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now we're going to go in and we're going to contour our face. I'm actually going to go in with our darker shade here, you guys. I'm going to go a little bit under, around my chin. And then I'm going to go over my forehead. Just to kind of give me a nice, like, sculpted face, you guys.
Alright, you guys, for my cat eye, I like to start from the middle of my eyelid and just wing it out into a curved shape. It's contingent on pretty much based off of how you want your cat eye to look. If you want a more edgy look, you just kind of go straight and pointed. But for me, I like a little bit of a curve. You know, it gives me a more of an exotic look, and it opens up my eyes to look more almondy, if that makes sense.
Alright, you guys, so once you have your cat eye in place, how you want it to be, you know, there's so many different looks of cat eyes, you guys. Just go with how you want it and how you think yours should be. You can go thin, you can go thick. I like mine a little bit thicker because I like dramatic. I'm actually going to go on now, you guys, with this gold glitter, and I'm actually going to trace that cat eye to give you more enhanced look.
Alright, you guys, so here with the gold glitter, I'm just going to trace from the middle of my eyelid and trace out into that cat eye to give me that nice glammed look.
Alright, you guys, so once you have your cat eye there, we have the glitter that's there, you guys. Super fab. I've added lashes too. We're going to go in and we're going to finish up our face. I'm actually going to go in and add more of the setting powder, you guys, to my face before I add in my blush and then my highlight to my face. I'm going to highlight our nose, you guys. It's my favorite highlighter. It's Milani, the Milani brand, you guys, from Target. I love their highlighters. And I've actually broken this one, but it still works. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go in with my Fit Me. This is also by Maybelline. It's a nice soft pink blush. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my Victoria's Secret nice shimmer sparkle. We're going to add a little bit of a nice highlight glow to our face, you guys. I absolutely love this, and I've had it for so long, you guys. It just lasts so long. I'm using a sand brush, you guys. This is actually from Morphe. This is the white earthy brush from Morphe, and I absolutely love it. And it comes bigger, but this is a good size. And we're just gonna fan out that shimmer to give us a nice like glow, you guys. And add as much. Go crazy with your shimmer if you want. Okay. Now we're gonna go with our lip, you guys. Now, ideally, I wanted to do like a pink lip, but I'm like, I always do pink. Pink is like my go-to color. I'm not gonna do pink. I'm gonna do a nice bright red, you guys. I have some samples from Sephora, and they ended up giving me like this little mini. They ended up giving me this little mini like lipstick thing to try, you guys. It has like 3 different like colors. I'm gonna use this red one here. It's called Outlaw. And so I'm going to use a nice little lip brush to apply it. Alright, you guys, so once you are done adding on your lip, whatever lip you're going to use, you guys, this lip is super fab. It's almost like a red, it's almost like a pinkish red. I don't know, it's super cute. This is the way your makeup should look, you guys. It's super, super fab and glam. It's simple, but it's like glam. Like, you could wear this out to the club, go on a dinner date, whatever it is, you guys. This is like the ultimate glam look. If you guys are new to my channel and you like what you see, make sure you guys go today, right now, give me thumbs up, okay? Click that subscribe button on the side and the bell so you are notified when I upload new videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.